Hello Internet, my name's Kevin King, founder of Plum Geek, and I'm here today to introduce our newest robot, Wink. Wink was created with one idea in mind. We wanted to create the easiest robot ever for teaching kids to write code. Wink can do all the fun things you'd want to do with an educational robot. Light seeking is easily done using the 3 ambient light sensors across the front of the robot. In this lesson, students will learn how to read sensors and use variables and make decisions based on those variables. Wink has 4 sensors along its nose that allow for high-speed line following and edge detection. Barrier and obstacle detection is also possible using an infrared headlight. The code that allows Wink to navigate this maze is a lot simpler than you think. Lots of kids have played with graphical programming systems like Scratch. These graphical languages are great for teaching kids the basics of program flow in an easy and non-intimidating way. But taking the next step into writing actual code can be kind of intimidating, or at least that's the perception. We created Wink to solve this. We designed a robot that's fun and interactive that can be programmed using really simple functions. If you can understand the graphical functions in Scratch, then you'll be able to understand our written functions to control Wink. Along with the Wink robot, we're designing a 15-lesson series that'll take students from the very basics of writing code all the way through the core concepts and the foundation of the C language. The lessons will be accompanied by intro videos that'll allow teachers of school and workshop events to begin teaching right away, even if they don't have any coding experience. The lesson plan's designed to engage students 8 years and older. Younger kids can also learn with the help of a grown-up. Every example of every lesson is accompanied by working source code, so kids can jump right in and start learning and customizing. In the first coding example, we make the robot wink his eye. This example is only a few lines long and anyone can understand it. Students can change the color of the wink, they can make the eyes alternate, and they can experiment with their own sequences. Then we jump into making the motors go. The motors are controlled with a single function that takes 2 numbers. Next, we teach you how to make the sound turn on and how to make Wink do something when its button's pressed. Did I mention that Wink is fast? At this point, the student knows everything they need to have some real fun. It's time for a drag race.
Here we go, go! That was close.
The big kids can play also. Kids may have so much fun that they forget they're learning a serious programming language. The foundation learned with Wink can carry students forward in programming more advanced robots and complex microprocessors. The basic concepts will also translate well to Python, Java, and other real-world programming languages. We've kept the cost of Wink to a minimum so every student can have their own. The lesson plans are free and open source, so schools, workshops, and events can easily be set up. The Wink robot is programmed with the included programming adapter. Wink includes a rechargeable battery and a complete automatic charging system right on board. Just plug him into the adapter and he charges automatically. You can also use the Arduino serial print functions to debug your bug. By backing this project, you'll allow us to buy parts in larger quantity to keep the cost of Wink low going forward. We'll also be able to complete the lesson plans and the intro videos. Rewards include Wink robots you can keep for yourself, share with your kids, or donate to your favorite teacher. As we move forward, we'll continue to work with educators around the world to design awesome stuff that encourages learning. And speaking of awesome, if you think what we're doing here is a great thing, then please share this campaign with a friend. We've been designing robots in our own little shop as a family for the last year, and it's been a wonderful experience, but we could not have done it without the incredible community that got behind us on our first campaign for the Ringo robot. We want to tell you guys how much we appreciate you, and we'll never forget you. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for your support.